Have you ever seen a viral video getting millions of views and thought, if I could make videos like this consistently, I could start a content account, grow an audience, and eventually make money from it? But the problem is the timing, the camera movement, the transitions, the energy, the music. Everything looks simple when you watch it, but when you try to recreate it manually, it can take hours. And most creators think viral videos are based on luck. But the truth is, viral videos usually follow a structure. There is a hook, a pacing style, a visual rhythm, a transition pattern, and a payoff. Pippet, a ByteDance product, can help analyze the creative DNA of a video and recreate a new version with a similar structure, pacing, camera movement, and style. With the latest model, Seedance 2.0 Mini, you can get next-level cinematic video cloning at a fraction of the usual cost. Let's begin. First, go to Google and search for Pippet. When the official Pippet website appears, open it from the search results. I'll also leave the direct link in the description. Once you open Pippet, you'll see this clean dashboard with a large prompt box in the center. This is where you can type an idea, upload a reference, or start creating a new video. For this video, I'm going straight into the reference video workflow. I'll upload viral-style videos, use the same simple prompt, and see how well Pippet can recreate the timing, movement, and overall feel. For the generation model, I'm using Seedance 2.0 Mini, which is designed for lower-cost video generation while still keeping strong motion and style. The idea is simple. You upload a reference video, and Pippet analyzes its highlights. That includes things like the camera movement, pacing, action flow, transitions, visual style, and scene structure. Then you can either keep the prompt simple or guide it in a new direction. So you're not copying the exact video. You're using the structure as inspiration and creating something new from it. A good reference gives Pippet a clear blueprint. Then your prompt decides what the new version should become. Now let's start with action replication. For this first example, I chose a high-energy wrestling-style reference because wrestling videos have very clear action beats: the build-up, the lift, the impact, the table break, and the reaction. The reason I'm recreating this type of reference is to show how someone could create a fictional action comedy short, build a wrestling-style entertainment account, or develop a recurring storyline with different characters. The reference had a wrestler lifting another performer, a dramatic table slam, commentators reacting, and a packed arena in the background. I used this prompt. Analyze the highlights of the reference video and create a similar one. Now I'm going to hit Generate. For this wrestling example, Pippet starts analyzing the action structure of the reference video: the wide-angle camera, the build-up, the lift, the slam, and the reaction moment. The amazing part here is movement replication. Pippet's reference video feature can follow the movement pattern from the original video, while allowing you to replace the characters and create a new version. This can work for dance videos, fight scenes, sports clips, and other action-heavy content. Now let's move to a viral food video. Looking to go viral quickly? This cooking video on YouTube Shorts is going crazy right now, so today I'm going to recreate it. I upload the reference video, use the same prompt again, and hit Generate. Pippet analyzed the reference and identified the key highlights: the cooking as art concept, the fast editing, the playful ingredient movement, and the final reveal. After that, I guided the recreation by changing the dish to a burger. So now the idea becomes a burger video, but it still keeps the same viral cooking energy from the reference. And here is the result. You can see the structure is still similar. It keeps the fast-paced food transformation, but the final video feels completely different. This is useful because I didn't need to explain every shot manually. The reference gave Pippet the timing and visual direction, and my instruction changed the creative idea. For food creators, this can be used to build a food, recipe, burger, or satisfying video account. You can create new versions quickly, upload them to your own channel, and test which styles bring traffic and followers. Instead of describing every single shot myself, I simply used the reference as the blueprint. Now let's move into the cinematic action direction. This type of workflow is useful for editors, directors, action creators, gaming channels, anime-style creators, and short-form storytellers who need dynamic footage without manually producing every shot. For example, a director could use this for pre-visualizing an action scene. An editor could use it for a fast-paced concept sequence, and a content creator could use it to make cinematic shorts for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. For this example, I wanted a high-action parkour scene. So instead of a product-style video, I uploaded the reference video and used the same prompt, and hit Generate. After analyzing the reference, Pippet suggests a few different recreation directions. I'm going with the action version and changing it into a rooftop parkour chase. Pippet starts generating the video, and here is the result. The camera movement, pacing, and action all follow the reference, but the entire scene is brand new. Another useful thing is that you can be specific with the exact moment you want to recreate. For example, if the best part of the video happens to be from 5 seconds to 9 seconds, you can mention that directly in the prompt. You could write, recreate the action from 5 seconds to 9 seconds of the reference video. This gives you more control because sometimes you don't need the full video. You may only want one transition, one movement, one action beat, or one highlight moment. The biggest use case here is speed and practicality. If you run a faceless channel, an AI tools channel, a product page, a marketing page, or a short-form content account, you constantly need new ideas. With Pippet, you can use a reference video as the starting point. A cooking video can become an anime burger video for a food or satisfying content account. You can upload these videos to your own page, test different dishes, and use the best performing formats to gain traffic and followers. A wrestling clip can become a fictional action comedy scene for creators making short films, entertainment accounts, or character-based storylines. Instead of manually animating every move, you can use the reference to copy the action flow and create a new version faster. A simple action reference can become a cinematic parkour chase for gaming-style edits, action shorts, or directors and editors who need quick concept footage. So instead of guessing the pacing, camera movement, and structure, you can show Pippet an example of what you want. The better your reference video, the better your result. So use clear videos with strong movement, good pacing, and a style that matches the type of content you want to create. This makes it easier to quickly create content, start an account, generate traffic, and potentially make money from the attention you build. Overall, Pippet's reference video feature is useful because it helps creators create practical content quickly, start posting faster, test viral formats, generate traffic, and build accounts that can eventually make money. You can upload a reference, analyze the highlights, and recreate the same style with a new character, setting, product, or story. It doesn't replace creativity, but it gives you a strong blueprint so you're not starting from zero. If you want to try Pippet, I'll leave the link in the description. And if you want more AI tools, tutorials, and real examples like this, subscribe to Smart AI Tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.